A Garmin Watch Charger is essential to keep your device powered, ensuring uninterrupted tracking, notifications, and performance. My today's video is about top 5 best Garmin Watch Charger that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at SwanScout Garmin Watch Charger. The SwanScout 505 GM charging stand is a premium accessory designed to keep your Garmin smartwatch powered efficiently and safely. Compatible with multiple Garmin models, its space-saving vertical design seamlessly fits into any home or office setup, combining functionality with discreet elegance. Delivering high-efficiency 3W charging, it can fully charge a Garmin Forerunner 245 from 0% to 100% in just 56 minutes, making it a fast and reliable companion for daily use. The stand features 90 degrees swivel rotation and a 0 degrees to 45 degrees tilt range, allowing you to adjust both the orientation and viewing angle of your watch for optimal convenience. Equipped with palladium alloy charger pins, it resists oxidation, rust, and wear, ensuring long-term durability. The weighted anti-tipping base adds stability, protecting your watch during charging. While designed solely for power delivery, the SwanScout 505 GM excels in combining efficiency, durability, and ergonomic design, offering Garmin users a safe, versatile, and stylish charging solution for everyday use. Now our second product is Moco Garmin Watch Charger. The Garmin Replacement Charger Dock is a versatile and reliable accessory designed for a wide range of Garmin smartwatches, including Fenix, Forerunner, Venu, Instinct, VivoMove, Epix, Tactics, Enduro, D2, and Quatix series. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for use at home, in the office, or on the go, ensuring your watch is always powered without hassle. The charger supports plug-and-play functionality, allowing seamless syncing and charging via PC or USB-enabled devices. Equipped with an internal voltage regulator and PTC protection, it safeguards your smartwatch against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, providing peace of mind during every charge. Its durable and wear-resistant construction ensures long-term reliability, while its optimized design delivers stable charging performance. For best results, it is recommended to charge via USB ports with regulated current, max 1A, 5V. Combining compatibility, portability, and safety, this charger dock is a must-have accessory for Garmin users seeking convenience and protection for their valuable smartwatches. Our third product is Ruxley Garmin Watch Charger. The Garmin Watch Charging Dock combines efficiency, durability, and portability, making it an essential accessory for Garmin smartwatch users. Designed for fast and safe charging, it delivers reliable power while also supporting smooth data synchronization, ensuring your device stays up to date without interruptions. Its broad compatibility spans numerous Garmin models, including Fenix, Forerunner, Venu, Quatix, Epix, Swim, VivoMove, and Enduro series, providing versatile use across multiple devices. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy, the dock offers sturdy support and protection, preventing scratches and wear while securely holding your watch during charging. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for travel or daily use, eliminating tangled cables and the need for extra accessories. Simply connect your existing USB-C cable to power your Garmin watch efficiently anywhere, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Combining strength, convenience, and reliable performance, this charging dock ensures your Garmin smartwatch is always ready, making it an indispensable companion for any Garmin user. Now number 4, Astorgo's Garmin Watch Charger. The Garmin USB-C charging dock is a versatile and reliable solution for powering a wide array of Garmin smartwatches, including Fenix, Forerunner, Venu, Instinct, Epix, VivoMove, Approach, Enduro, Quatix, and Tactics series. Its effortless USB-C charging utilizes strong magnets to securely align your watch, ensuring fast and efficient power delivery through any USB-C port. Designed with advanced safety features, the dock protects your device from overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating, providing peace of mind during every charge when paired with a 5V/2A adapter. Crafted from premium, heat-resistant ABS material, the dock is durable enough for frequent use and foldable storage, while the included 1-meter cable adds convenience. Compact and travel-friendly, it easily fits in a bag or on a desk, making it ideal for home, office, or travel charging. Combining durability, safety, and portability, this charging dock offers Garmin users a dependable, stylish, and efficient way to keep their smartwatches powered wherever life takes them. And our last choice is Jujoja Garmin Watch Charger. The Jujoja Garmin charging cable is a premium and reliable solution for keeping your Garmin smartwatches powered and synchronized. Widely compatible with models including Forerunner 35/230/235/630/30/30/645 Music/735 XT, Lily/Lily 2, Approach G10/S20, and Vivo Move HR. It supports both charging and data sync, making it a versatile accessory for everyday use. Crafted with high-quality ABS and TPE materials and reinforced with pure copper wire, it ensures stable current transmission, delivering fast, consistent, and safe charging for your device. Designed to work with multiple power sources, including PCs, laptops, notebooks, power banks, and wall chargers, it provides a high-efficiency and stable charging experience. Leveraging original cable direct connection technology, it reduces risks associated with overheating or unstable charging, maintaining both data integrity and device safety. Compact, durable, and dependable, this cable combines premium quality, performance, and peace of mind. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it offers a worry-free solution for Garmin users seeking efficiency and long-term reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.